Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chase my YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Rockstar has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members and let them know that Chase Way is popping. Let's get in today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my.
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase Way back with another video. Let me just school y'all on something. If y'all don't know about the smart money matrix, let me tell y'all something. You can start with $50, sharing it with your friends and family, and watching it grow to $8,140. If that's something that interests you, how about you head over to my Instagram and you just hit me up and be like, hey Chase, I'm interested in the smart money matrix. All right, let's go on and continue to talk about some stocks. In today's video, we're going to be finding out what is the top food and drink stocks. And we're also going to be diving in my stock portfolio and see how the performance was and see what's my plan. First thing first, let's just go on and start and dive into my portfolio. As you can see, I'm up $7.35. I'm up 2.51% for today. For the week, I'm up $4. For the month, I'm minus $41.92, which is a good thing because I get to catch a lot of stocks on sale. For the year, we are still up $312. So just for that last month, we went down, which is okay. But we got ourselves out of a hole. We up 19 cents. I'm currently invested in Tesla, Apple, Walgreens, and 5 ETF stocks. Something else that I'm going to probably add is probably will be VOO. It mimics the NASDAQ. Not the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. And I think I'm going to be very long term on that stock. In Robinhood, I am up $5.64 for today. For the week, I'm up 67 cents. For the month, I'm down. For the 3 months, I'm down. And for the year, I'm up $30.41. So it's pretty good. I did buy some more stocks at INUV. But something that I did do, I took $75 away from Dogecoin, and I invested that money into INVO or NVO. And as you see with the dotted line, that's when I made my position. And as you can see, it kind of paid off. So I made $7.35 off of that. Nokia, I did invest some more money in this. Let's see. What did I buy in some more? I split that $75 and I put $45 in here. As you can see, I invested right there. It went down, and it went down all the way to $4.07, but it's back up to $4.09, and I got in around $4.10, which is okay. But I'm strong. I'm like real heavy on this, and I believe what's about to come is gonna break out. So I'm still staying strong. This is a free stock. Thank y'all to whoever who has signed up under my Robinhood account. If you don't have Robinhood, I think you should go ahead and switch over. I'm honestly thinking about switching everything over, but I still like how Cash Out allows money to be in my account the same day. So it's kind of hard for me to transition. Oracle, I was up $2.46. I went ahead and got into Oracle before they went down and went up. But of course, if you don't know, Oracle bought TikTok, and it causes the price to go up a little bit. It might be a little bit hype right now, but who knows? So I just put $2.77 over there, and we're just gonna see what that do. Uh, AeroVironment. AeroVironment. This is a brand that specializes in development, production, support, and operation of unmanned aircraft system. So pretty much Amazon is gonna be using this. That's gonna be working on the Amazon Prime in the future. So I'm just getting on it early, to be honest. It's nothing heavy right now, but I'm just getting in early. Now let's head over to Cash App. I think something I want to start doing is going to the popular list and start identify some of these stocks over here. I would like to look at like some China stocks and start pitching out some of the best things, but let's just keep it back over here to Cash Out. And I think I just want to spice it up. I think I'm pretty past the point of the stocks on Cash App, and I want to add more flair or spice it up over here. I mean, of course, you have all these companies, which ain't too bad, ain't too much, but let's go to performance. Let's go to year. Let's start at the lowest. You still have Play, Dave & Buster's, so let's just look this up. Let's see. You have Dave & Buster's at $18.33. In the next 50 days, it's going to go down to $14.44. And in the next 200 days, it's going to go back up to $23.12. So if you put this on the charts, and if you would like to have access to this workbook, all you have to do is scroll up, look in the description, and you will have access to it. Last time we looked at this was August 27th. The stock price was $15.07, and it rose and it grew. And the next 20 days, it was predicted that it was going to drop $14.11. Of course, it exceeded those numbers. Oh, something else that I would like to start, instead of the simple moving averages, let's look at the exponential moving averages. 22, and let's just go to 50, or we can change it up. We do 50 like this, and then we're gonna do add exponential. Now let's just do this, the simple moving average of 200. So we can get a good indicator, because on every 200 days, that's more so long term, but the exponential give us more of a short sight. So as you can tell, next 20 days, it's going to continue to decline, and exponentially on that 50 day that's what's happening now. It's going to reach $15.48. This is when you know exactly when to invest. And then on the simple moving average is, it might get on there, but you can't time the stock market perfect. If you could, everybody would be a genius. But it's pretty much on a buy and sell hold. Of course, you have indicators on when you should buy, when you shouldn't buy. And of course, everybody got different ways of how to invest. But in order for you to not get caught up into the hype, you stay true to your indicators and you stay true to your system. So that way you won't be out here lost in the sauce. Let's update this. 18.33. Got the 20. 16.67. We didn't calculate the 180, so we just did the 200. 23.12, which give us a 20%, 26.13 or 13%, which is good. Let's see what's the next one. As we look, 40%, you got Bud and USFD. So let's see if these the same thing. US Foods is different, so let's look that up. USFD. Okay, so you have it at $24.27. The next 20 days is gonna decline. 50 days is gonna decline, but it's gonna rise. Okay, so shout out to Martin from the Discord. So what number is that? 24.27. It's higher than the stock price, and it did well, and it exceeded the 200 moving day average, of course. So 24.27, 20 day 23.66. We didn't find a 100 moving day average. 27, but now this say 26.85, which would give us a 10.63%. It's okay, but it's not bad. It's still 10%. Let's go to the next. You got Bud. Let's add that on here. You got Bud. Alrighty, let's look this up. If I can spell correctly. Alrighty, here we go. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Bud is 50. Oh. Let's change everything. There it is. 56.25, the 20, 57.10, the 50, 55. Okay, so it's gonna continue to make a decline, and then, but it's on its way to becoming cheap. It ain't too far, but it's far. 56.25, 56.25. The 20 is 57.10. Oh, I did that. And then the 200 is 58.21. Now, to find the return rate, you want to put equal signs, open parentheses. The 200 minus your stock price, close parentheses, divided by your stock price, which gives you a total of 3.48%. I don't know what this is, so let's clear this. Alright, as we move forward, let's go to 30. You got Shake Shack, Mark, Mars and Coolers. Let's see if anything new. So you got Molson Coolers, Molson Coors. What is this? Molson Coors, a large beer company. Oh, it's a beer company. $35 and a penny. Let's look them up. That's something new. Tap. Let's look them up. I think I just want to learn more about new stocks. The same stocks is cool, and yeah, you can really focus on them, but it's more than the same stocks that we that we learn about on a daily. Just like this look like a good stock. It look like it's already at its lowest. It's continue to go down. It haven't reached really in the brown just yet, so you can kind of wait on this at 33.95. Let's see if we can pull in another indicator. Let's see, what indicator do I want to put in? Price momentum. Alright, so I already got that. Slope, standard, slow, fast, tricks, true strength, volume, vortex. Let's look at the vortex indicator. Let's just analyze to see what goes on. So if it separates, I kind of like to mimic everything just to see how it goes. So when green is on top, that's just when the stock is rising. So when it's red on top, I mean the red is winning. So I guess when the green crosses over, that's your time to buy. I think I'm going to be using. Where did I learn the vortex at? I can't remember where I learned this at, but I remember learning it. That's the crazy part, and I forgot all about it. So coming up shortly, this could be a potential stock to make some money. This might be the sleeper stock right here. I think I'm gonna just end off on this. Let's look at the percentages. So you have 35.01. Next 20 days, you got 36.97. And then the next 200 moving days, you have 43.58. And then the return rate equals upper parentheses 200 moving minus stock price close parentheses divided by that's supposed to be 13. 24.48%. I think I'm going to add this to my stock list. Hold on. Molson Cools. We are going to follow, and I'm going to check them out tomorrow. All day tomorrow. And I'm going to figure out when it's the best time to get in this position. So let's just go over what we went over today. Was it the 3? Yeah. It was these 3. Clear. So we went over 4 stocks today. Dave & Buster's, U.S. Foods, ticker symbol BUD, and ticker symbol TAP. The top performing stocks is Tap and Play. So if that's something that you're interested in, I gave you good 2 picks, and I guess I gave you a new indicator of how to check out stocks. Research of what I just used so you can learn more about it. Thank y'all for watching. And once again, if you want to learn more about the Smart Money Matrix, hit me up on my Instagram and say, Chase, I would like to know more about the Smart Money Matrix, and I can get you involved. We do Zoom callings at 7 p.m. Central on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And like I said, I always start with $50, sharing with your friends and family, and investing $50 and watching it go to $8,140. The Powers and Driver Squad. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.